Hi, I'm Dr. Mark Sklar, the fertility expert, and thanks for joining me on Fertility TV. In this episode, we're talking about how to approach your partner when you think that it's time for them to get tested. So stay tuned. If this is a topic that you think you're interested in, watch the rest of this video. Hi, welcome back. I'm Dr. Mark Sklar, the fertility expert, and I help couples all over the world get pregnant naturally. In this episode of Fertility TV, we're talking about how to approach your partner when you think it's time for them to get tested. Well, let's address a couple of issues. First and foremost, no man likes to do a semen analysis. Even though it's potentially the only thing you're asking them to do, they don't like it. It's uncomfortable. It's awkward. They got to aim into a little cup. That's no fun for anybody. So, when it comes down to it, you have to acknowledge, and I think it's important that you verbally acknowledge that I know you don't like it, and I know you don't want to do it, but I do think it's important for us to get this information, first and foremost. Two, it's really one of the only tests they really need to do. And hopefully they only have to do it once. So really, I encourage you to approach it in that manner. Like, I need to do all these things to find out what our fertility is like. You really only need to do this one thing, okay? If they are slackers on scheduling and planning, you should take responsibility for that and make sure that you plan and schedule the appointment for them. And then also, number three, it's best to know the information now and not later. I hate finding out that a patient has been trying for 3 years. They do a semen analysis and come to find out that they have count, motility, and morphology issues. You can make changes and make impacts to all of these parameters. You want to know that information up front. So it's better to find out now up front versus 6 months, 9 months, a year, 3 years down the road, when all of this, you could use that time to take action and be proactive about the situation. Obviously, it's not the most comfortable situation when they go in to do a semen analysis, and most men are embarrassed to even be there to do it. First, I should clarify, oftentimes there's many fertility clinics that you don't even need to do it in their facility. You can do it at home and bring in the sample, so that certainly makes it easier. But even if you have to do it there or just drop it off, there is this whole embarrassment situation that comes up. Really just recognize that the whole embarrassment issue is on you and nobody else. Nobody else in that fertility clinic really cares. It's so commonplace for them that it's not a big deal whatsoever. And if all else fails and you can't convince them any other reason to go ahead and do the semen analysis, just tell them that I said so. They have to go do it, okay? It's important, it's super valuable, you need the information for your fertility, and if you as a couple want to get pregnant and have children and grow your family, go ahead and take action and get a semen analysis. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my Fertility TV channel so that you can find out the latest videos that are coming out. And if you want to get some personalized information straight to your inbox, then subscribe to my newsletter. You can do so at marksklar.com/newsletter. I'll also send you a private invitation to join me in my private Facebook group. Thanks so much. Have you been trying to figure out how fertile you are? Do you really want to know? Then take my fertility quiz right here.